Who are you?
I am Boredom, your new gray guest.
And why have you made my body feel so heavy, my mind so empty, and all my toys completely tasteless?
I am not evil, little one. The heaviness in your body right now is simply a signal from me to your mind, telling it to rest for a while.
But you are making me feel so restless and uncomfortable. Why did you come to my house anyway?
I came because you sat in front of screens and phones for too long. You kept repeating the same easy, mindless habits until your mind got exhausted and your energy dried up. I am an alarm bell, protecting you from wasting your time.
And how do you protect me with your gray threads? What is your message to me?
My message to you is leave the easy entertainment behind and look for a useful idea. I am not a prison. I am like a blank canvas. I came to help you stop watching and start creating something new with your own hands.
So, how do I make you leave my house? Should I chase you out?
No. Escaping to phones and screens only makes me grow bigger and stronger. The simple secret is accept me, then move forward without me. What should I do now? Sit in silence for a few minutes. Take a deep breath. Then get up and craft anything by yourself, away from the screen. Paint a picture, write a story, or move around and build your idea. The moment you start working, I will shrink and disappear immediately. This is my house, and every guest only makes me stronger.